back to my next video. Today we're going to be doing upper body using laundry detergent as our weights. Now if you have dumbbells or bands, definitely use that, but if you have no equipment, go ahead and grab some laundry detergent. Make sure the caps are screwed on tight. We don't want any accidents to happen. If you have empty ones, go ahead and fill that with water. The more water you fill it with, the heavier it is. All right, so first we're going to be doing just one, a single arm bent over row. Take your right foot forward, rest your right hand on your leg. With that left arm, you are going to row. On the way down, make sure you're not just going to plop it down, but you're going to reach out on an angle. Draw that scapula back, almost as if you're trying to pinch both scapulas together. And where are those abs? Where are those abradabbers? They're pulled in. Pull that navel in. Keep your abs engaged throughout this movement. Why? To support your back. This is a great back exercise, really good for posture. When you roll that arm up, make sure to push that shoulder back too, not just the arm. I know the arm can come up, but push that shoulder back too. Let's do 2 more rows. Excellent, good. And switching to the other side. Take your hand, rest it on your thigh. Other hand has your weight or your laundry detergent, and we're gonna roll that arm up. Same good form as before. Navel is pulled in, arm goes up, shoulder goes back too. Make sure that the chest and your shoulders are square to the floor. You don't want to come up like that. Hips are square to the floor, chest and shoulders are square to the floor. Also make sure to keep your shoulders down. You don't want to shrug your shoulders up. Keep the shoulders slid down your back. Again, this is a great one for posture. Good one for the back. Let's do 1 more row. Perfect, go ahead and rest. Go ahead, grab your other laundry detergent or your other dumbbell or a band. We're gonna do some bicep curls, hammer curls. So the palms are facing each other, thumbs up, pinky down. You're gonna curl up, about 80% up, and then slow on the way down. You wanna unload the weight, straighten those arms all the way, curl up, and then all the way down. With bicep curls, I don't really recommend going all the way up, because see how the elbows come up like that? That's why I only go up 80%. The knees are softly bent. You never want to have stick straight legs because that arches your lower back. You don't want to arch or extend your lower back. Knees are softly bent, abs are pulled in, hips are tucked in. Relax the shoulders. We're going to do 2 more. 1 more, we're going to hold it up top. Right here, hold it, hold it. I want you to pop that bicep muscles. Relax the grip. Try not to put a death grip on your weights. Relax the grip. Relax the shoulder. Hold it here. Hold it here. You're going to lower your elbows to a 90-degree angle. Step 1 foot back. And we're going to give those weights away. Give that laundry detergent away. Nope. We want it back. Good. Reach forward. Nope. We're going to take it back. Pinch those shoulder blades together. Reach forward. Take it back. 2 more reaches. Reach forward. Pull it back, keep those shoulders down. 1 more reach, and pull it back. Good. Step together. We're gonna do reverse flies or rear delt flies. You're gonna stand with your legs about hip width apart, bending the knees. I'll go from the side. I want you to sink your weight on the heels of the feet. Don't rock to the toes. You don't want the knees to be unhappy. Holding on to the weights, squeeze those shoulder blades together. Great one for the upper back. Control it on the way down. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Control it on the way down. Keep your neck long. You don't want to look ahead, but you want to keep the neck neutral with your spine. Tuck the hips. Try not to arch the back. Tuck the hips. Squeeze those abs. Let's do 3 more flies. 3, 2, 1 more, squeeze and hold up top, squeeze and hold, squeeze and hold, squeeze and hold, and slowly bring it down. Slow. Good, go ahead and rest. We'll do some triceps, and then that'll be the whole circuit, starting from the beginning. All right, so tricep extensions, tricep kickbacks. Same stance as your flies, except the elbows are up. Now is a good time, make sure these are screwed on tight. Tricep kickbacks right here. Straighten the arms, and then bend only 90 degrees. You don't want to go up all the way to the shoulders. You're going to be doing more biceps. We already did biceps. Straighten, and then bend right there. If the lower back starts to fatigue, what I do sometimes, I put one leg forward, one leg back. So I might do a couple kickbacks on one leg, switch to the other leg. It doesn't matter. Whatever gets you through the exercise. Keep the shoulder blades slid down your back. We're going to do 2 more. Last one, I want you to hold it, straighten those arms, straight, 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 straight. Slowly bend. Straighten the legs, come on up. Boom, that is your upper body workout for the day using dumbbells, bands, or good old laundry detergent. So start the video from the beginning, do a second set, start it over again for a third set. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please stay in, stay safe, and stay fit. Bye, guys.